Ever pondered about crafting your own anime-inspired masterpiece? Whether it's conjuring up an image of your beloved anime character or delving into the realms of hyperrealism, today's your lucky day. Greetings and salutations. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the wonders of utilizing the cutting-edge SeaArt AI application, designed to breathe life into your wildest visual fantasies. First things first, let's kickstart this journey by navigating to the landing page. Once there, simply click on the inconspicuous login button nestled at the bottom right corner of the screen. From here, you're presented with a plethora of authentication options: Discord, Google, Facebook, email, or phone. I opt for the Swift Google login, courtesy of my trusty dummy account reserved for such creative endeavors. After all, simplicity is key, right? Now, onto the main event. With login complete, it's time to explore the myriad possibilities this tool offers. You're greeted with a choice to select a specific model or embark on the exhilarating journey of creating from scratch. Let's dip our toes into both, shall we? Selecting a specific model is akin to choosing your artistic muse. As an anime aficionado myself, I gravitate towards the anime model. A simple click sets the stage for our creative endeavor. Behold the landing page, where every parameter, every nuance of the chosen image is meticulously laid out before you. But fear not the complexities. Even amidst this sea of options, simplicity reigns supreme. With a few deft clicks, you can tweak the settings to your heart's content or opt to retain the defaults for a seamless experience. Now, onto the piece de resistance, the generation process itself. With your prompt in place, whether it's a character, a scene, or a concept straight from your imagination, a single click sets the magic in motion. But let's not forget about the practicalities. SeaArt AI offers various subscription plans to suit your needs, with credits replenished daily for those on the beginner plan. Should you desire more, upgrades are just a click away. As the images take shape before your very eyes, the anticipation builds. Each click of the mouse brings forth a new masterpiece, ready to be explored and admired. But wait, there's more. SeaArt isn't just about static images. It's about bringing your creations to life, with features like animation and upscaling. The possibilities are truly endless. And what if you crave even more control? Fear not, for SeaArt has you covered with its Create from Scratch option. Dive into the depths of your imagination, armed with nothing but a blank canvas and the tools to bring your vision to life. But let's not overlook the finer details. SeaArt isn't just a tool. It's a community, with features like image-to-image referencing and model customization. Collaboration and experimentation are encouraged. So whether you're a seasoned artist or a curious beginner, SeaArt has something for everyone. Unleash your creativity, explore new horizons, and join us on this exhilarating journey of artistic discovery. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more creative escapades. Until next time, farewell, and may your imagination soar.